Unit 203, come to the door.
Getaway police, Dominic, I don't want to kick your door down.
Why you banging on my goddamn door?
You're acting up on me, bro.
What the you talking about, man? You step the back from my house. Detentions. I want to talk to you about the carrier, man. I'm not going down the step.
Just put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Why are you arresting me?
On the 6th of April, 2025, officers responded to a reported domestic incident at a residence unit 203. The jurisdiction is not identified in the footage.
Police. Police.
Hey, stay away, police, come to the door.
That's three.
Hey, Wood, let's not stand directly in front of it. Let's take some steps back.
Did you hear anything?
Window's broken though.
Can't see anything?
Can't see anything inside, watch and draw.
We're at the residence, haven't made contact. No contact with them yet, despite repeated knocks.
Occupants in Unit 203, come to the door. Underway, police.
Do these places have a back, like a slider?
No, I think this is the only access.
Getaway police, Dominic, I don't want to kick your door down.
You're not kicking my door down.
Then come to the door and talk to me.
Don't ever. You don't have rights.
Come to the door and talk to me then. We're just trying to make sure everybody's all right.
To the door.
Come to the... Who else is here? Dominic, we're just trying to make sure everybody's all right.
Hey man, I'm not playing with you, bro. Click clack. You feel me? Click clack. You feel me?
I'm not playing either.
Man, I will blow your hand off, bro. Leave that. Go. Don't ever cut him up. Nigga, I'm just dead home. Melt your shit. Leave. Bro, I'm having a bad night. Leave.
Just want to make sure everybody's all right, Dominic.
Hey, do you have a RAM?
Yeah. I don't think we have enough right now. I can't hear anybody else.
I tried calling the number for Chantel, it just beeped. Is inactive.
One 38 window. Can you check the 911 call and see if you can hear anybody else in the background? Hands, bro. All right, chill out, bro.
Why are you banging on my goddamn
You're
door?
acting up on me, bro.
What the you talking about, man? Chill out. I'm not playing that shit, bro.
Stand the
I'm not. No, you step the back. You step the back from my house.
One more step.
Watch it.
One more step.
Back up. Back up.
One more step.
Back up. I got my wife in here.
Okay,
Watch
let's
your
talk.
mouth. No,
Let
you're
me
not
talk
going
to
in
him.
my house.
Let me
You're
talk
not
to him.
going in my house, bro. End the story, bro. End the story, bro.
38.
I'm not caring,
He's
bro.
stating that his wife's
No
in
one
the
is
house.
doing nothing in here. Go ahead, check out. Check me out. What? What? I'm not getting on the floor, bro. I'm in my house.
Okay, I mean, you can be arrested for obstruction then.
I don't care, bro. Our police union would like you to leave. Thank you. God bless you and have a good night.
You want to be arrested for obstruction?
You
keep
want
going.
to be going somewhere else where you're not gonna go?
Dominic?
I appreciate you leaving.
If I can talk to her,
No, you're not talking to my wife, man.
okay.
She don't
Why not?
want to talk to no cop.
Why not?
Cause she said so.
Well, that's not what
My wife told me that she don't want to talk to you
You
guys.
got somebody ready to go hands on?
Bro, you touch me, bro. It's gonna be
Okay.
for you.
Get your hands out of your pockets.
No, man, I'm not getting my hands out of my pockets for nobody, bro.
All right.
The moment you touch me, it's over, bro. I'm not playing, man. I got a young man I'm taking care of. I'm not touching you, bro. Don't touch me. Don't talk to me. You won't let me leave, bro.
Okay.
Let me walk.
Don't go back inside the house.
I'm allowed to go back inside my own house. It's my
Get on your
house.
knees.
I'm not gonna get on my knees for nobody, bro.
Okay.
This is my wife.
Hands up.
Chantel. Chantel.
Oh. Hey, relax. Hey. He's okay. Roll up.
It's my mom.
He's okay.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Get on the floor.
I'm getting up.
Face the floor. Face the
That's my
floor.
wife, man.
Face the floor right back.
That's my wife, man.
Back.
It's all good.
Get on the floor right now.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Go take care of Amy, baby.
We'll have to double.
No one's done nothing, man. Because we don't need to. What the f*** are you talking about? No one's done nothing, man. No one's done nothing.
You have any weapons on you?
No. Why? Why?
Hey, just
Why?
we're just checking you for weapons.
Why? Why?
I'm checking you for weapons.
Why?
Why do you think?
I want to talk shit with somebody superior, bro. You better give it here there. Don't touch it.
Relax, Dominic.
I'm going to about that taser. Get the out
Turn
there.
away from me.
No. I want to talk to your fucking superior, man. I'm not going down the steps.
Get him to the car, nice and slow.
No. I said I want the off me, man.
Go ahead, shake him when I.
Nah, man. No one does shit to you, nigga. Bro.
Hey, don't do that.
Touch me, man. I'll do the I want. It's my house. You came in my house.
Stop
You
twisting
shut
your
the hell
arm.
up. I'll twist the I want to twist. Don't you touch me. Get your hands off me. Don't touch me, man. Move.
Yeah.
That stupid motherfucker.
That's rude.
Dominique, stop hitting the door, man.
I'm not caring, man. Don't arrest me for no fucking reason.
I can see that, but breaking the door is not going to make it
I don't
any
care.
better.
Then open up the window.
If I open up the window, what are you going to do?
I want to talk to you, only you.
Okay.
Because I know you.
So we got to
What the f you doing at my house?
we got to call.
What the
That's,
f are you doing at my house?
Dominique, I'm
Why the f
trying to explain to
You're
you,
not trying to
man.
release me. That's your problem.
Because I don't know. I literally just walked up, man. I
Okay,
don't know what's
man.
going
I
on.
literally just woke up. I hear these motherfuckers banging on my door. I open up like, what the f is your guys' problem? And they tase me, bro.
Okay.
Shut up.
And
Shut the f up right now.
the whole
I'm not
story.
talking to you, bro.
I got the whole
You're distrustful, bro. I want to do something stupid to you. I want my wife.
Hey, don't make it worse. Please don't damage or you'll get extra charges.
I
Whose car is this?
want my goddamn wife.
You gotta relax. You wanna work with us, we need you to relax,
No,
alright?
man. I want my wife
If you wanna talk to her, you gotta calm down.
right now.
Alright? When you calm down,
And let me
can
talk to my
talk.
wife.
supervisor's on his way to talk to you.
No, I said let me talk to my goddamn wife.
You're not being very cooperative for
Shut
that.
up.
Alright?
Give me my wife.
Well, we're not gonna do anything the way you're acting.
Move.
If he pops out, he's getting tased and tackled.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this door and ask him if he wants aid.
I want my wife.
Yeah. Hey,
I'm not
Dominic,
talking to you, man. I want my f***ing wife.
I wanna see-
my f***ing wife.
yeah, I'm
I
trying
want
to-
my f***ing wife.
want
I'm
aid
not
or
talking to
no?
Nobody.
Aid or no? Yes or no?
What?
Do you want aid? Yes or no?
I want f***ing aid. I don't want to get the f*** out of this car, bro.
Okay. You don't want aid? Okay.
No, I said I want aid.
Okay.
Now you're going to let me get the f*** out of this car, bro. I'm not doing nothing to nobody. What though?
Hey, don't kick.
For what?
Put your foot up. Put your
No,
foot
man, I
up.
want to go home, man.
Put your foot up.
Why are you treating me like this?
Put your foot
No,
up.
why are you treating me like this? No!
Relax.
I said no! I said no!
Give them your
No!
Move your. You want to hurt your foot?
I don't
Let it
care. I'll
relax.
break this shit, bro.
I know you will. Just put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Why are you arresting me?
Hurt your foot.
Why are you arresting me?
Relax your foot.
Why are you arresting me?
Relax your foot.
Why are you arresting me? Let me get up so I can sit on the damn car.
They're gonna assist you back, okay?
I don't want assistance.
Okay. But
I don't need assistance.
Here, stand up.
I'm trying to sit in the car
You have
myself.
to stand.
I'm trying to sit in the car. Let me sit.
Okay.
Let me sit.
Okay.
Let me sit.
Stand up, sit
There. I'm sitting down.
Now slide in.
I'm sitting down.
You're sitting down. You have to slide
Okay.
in. Slide in, please, and
God.
put your feet in.
Dominic,
Please.
Damn.
seat in. We
All
gotta
right.
get you in the
We
car.
have to get you in the car.
God, sit down. Please. I love
I'll
you.
bring the Chantel over, but you got to get in.
I can't. Just put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. I can't handle this. Put me on the ground, sir.
There you go. Much better.
Hey, you stop pulling away.
I don't care, man.
Stop
You guys
pulling
are doing
away.
necessary bullshit, bro.
All right.
Unnecessary.
All right. Good. Okay. Yep. Just kick out of it. Stop trying to kick out of it. Just relax. Done. Stay on.
Hey, stop reaching
I think
for
we
the
have to do one on his
stuff. I know
knees.
what the f- I'm reaching for.
Just to prevent him from kicking.
Stop.
If you want, stop.
No one's done nothing to you guys. You came into my house. Can you let me talk to my wife? 1, 2, 3.
Let go. Keep going. Relax. Relax, Dominic.
No, man. I want my wife.
What? You got him?
I want my wife. I want my wife.
Okay.
I want my wife. I want my wife. I want my wife.
Hey, let go.
If you
go.
sit down, I will let her
Let
come
go.
talk.
I'm going to jail for what?
Let go of the seatbelt.
For what?
Tin.
For what?
Huh?
Sorry about the door, bro.
I want my wife.
Yeah, that's not gonna.
You want to let my wife come?
All right.
Here's Aaron.
Someone start smashing on the seat form.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, cool. Who's following them up?
I think they
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, let's go.
A home receives the highest Fourth Amendment protection. Under Payton versus New York, 1,980, police generally need a warrant to enter a residence. That rule yields to genuine emergencies. Brigham City versus Stewart 2006 and Michigan versus Fisher 2009 allow warrantless entry when officers reasonably believe a person inside faces an imminent threat to safety. Caniglia versus Strom 2021 narrowed this. A general welfare check alone cannot justify entering a home. The basis must be a real and articulable emergency. Terry versus Ohio 1968 permits a protective frisk when an officer reasonably suspects a person is armed and dangerous. Graham versus Connor 1989 governs use of force. It is judged from the view of a reasonable officer on scene weighing the severity of the offense, the immediacy of the threat, and active resistance. An obstruction charge holds only if the underlying police action was lawful. Resisting a detention believed unlawful is not protected. The remedy is the court, not physical resistance. Lesson 1. Officers should document the specific facts that created the emergency rather than rely on a general welfare check, and should confirm and record the safety of every occupant. Lesson 2. A person at home holds strong constitutional protection, but threats and refusing to show the hands forfeit that advantage and create lawful grounds for force. Lesson 3. The lawfulness of the initial detention controls everything that follows, including whether an obstruction charge can survive in court. Lesson 4. Comply first and challenge later. Constitutional violations are remedied through legal process, never through resistance on scene.